Welcome to Appendix 2 of Episode 1 of CC Top Solutions. Today we're going to get all the cars out, not all of them, we're going to get a bunch of the cars out. We're going to play around with the drone, take some videos, take some pictures, and use the footage for the YouTube channel. I want to have a banner picture, and to do that I want to take 5 of the cars out and sort of pose them. I was waiting for a nice sunny day, we're in luck, and I'm going to film the whole process, and I hope you enjoy it. I know I'm going to enjoy making it. I'm already ecstatic. I started up, the 66 Mustang has been sitting, I don't know, for 4 months. Fired right up. So enjoy. One take, piece of cake. Here's a nice clip of the audio of all these different cars. They're all idling right now. This one has a 231 cam at a .050 Speed Pro. This one's all stock, 460. This one's an unknown cam, 351 Windsor. World's Junior heads on it, and my own personal idea for an exhaust system. I call it the Cherry Master. It's cherry bombs going into Flowmasters. Probably not the best for performance, but the car's still fast, so who cares? This one's a Flowmaster exhaust on a 93 Vet. Quiet. Oh wait, that one wasn't Flowmaster, that one was eBay. This one's Flowmaster. You want to see what all these look like inside? There we go. Well, today was a complete success. I managed to get the picture that I needed to put on the YouTube channel for my banner shot. I also gained some invaluable experience with my DJI Mavic Air. And I filmed that awesome shot of flying that thing through that Lincoln with the windows down. That was quite nerve-wracking. The first shot that I showed you guys was the real speed. The second shot, I slowed it down to 1/3 speed so you could see how close I came to hitting that door. Very impressed. I amazed myself. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed it. I had a blast filming it. Stay tuned. Next episode, hopefully I will have out in the next month or so. That'll be that Corvette 93 FX3 selective ride control repair. Take care.